Hey girl, hey. I'm just making this quick educational YouTube video to show you guys that my sizing kits are very easy to use, hassle-free, and very convenient for you when sizing or picking a pre-made set of mines or getting your own custom set done. So here I am showing you from sidewall to sidewall, leaving no gaps, no openings, that's just the perfect fit. Once you find your perfect fit for your natural nail bed, you then place the number on one of the hearts, just as so, from thumb to pinky, and then you move on to the next nail. Sorry that I'm off camera here. So as you can see here, I'm still looking to making sure sidewall to sidewall has full coverage, no gaps, no openings. And then I'll just write the number down. As you can see that I did the middle finger, so I'm going to put it in the middle heart. And then you do the same thing, the same process for every fingernail. Making sure no gaps, no openings, to leave you a nice, perfect fit for your own natural nails. So see here, as you can see in the pinky, in my on my pinky, excuse me, the 7 fits. So I went ahead and tried the 8 just to be sure. And as you can see on the 8, it leaves a gap. You don't want that. So that's a good demonstration that I did just there. So just so you can see what to look for and what not to look for when sizing your nails. So you want to make sure it's the perfect fit, sidewall to sidewall. So you do the same for the opposite hand. And there you go. There you have it. You got your nails, you got your sizing done, and now you can order from Nailene.shop.